In today's fast-paced world, mental health disorders such as anxiety, depression, insomnia, and even conditions like migraines and neuroticism are becoming increasingly common. These issues not only affect quality of life but also have a profound impact on physical well-being. The search for effective, non-invasive treatments has led to the rise of Cranial Electrotherapy Stimulation, CES, a form of brain stimulation that offers hope for those seeking relief from these chronic conditions without the side effects of medications. One of the emerging technologies in this field is the brain stimulation anti-insomnia sleep electrotherapy alpha CES Stim device, which is designed specifically for treating anxiety, depression, insomnia, and even migraines. This device harnesses the power of low-level electrical currents to modulate brain activity, offering a safe and natural way to restore mental balance and alleviate symptoms. The science behind CES and brain stimulation. Cranial electrotherapy stimulation works by sending low-frequency electrical pulses through the scalp to stimulate the brain. These electrical signals act on the central nervous system, promoting the release of neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and endorphins, which help regulate mood and sleep cycles. CES devices, such as the Alpha CES Stim device, operate by aligning brainwave activity into more coherent patterns, especially in individuals suffering from insomnia and migraines, where brain activity is often erratic. CES has been particularly successful in treating insomnia by promoting the brain's ability to enter and maintain alpha wave states, brainwaves associated with relaxation and deep sleep. By smoothing out spikes in brain activity that typically disrupt sleep, CES helps users experience more restful and uninterrupted sleep. As a result, individuals wake up feeling more refreshed and mentally clear. Addressing insomnia, anxiety, and depression. One of the primary uses of CES devices like the Alpha CES Stim is to combat insomnia. Sleep disorders are often intertwined with anxiety and depression, creating a cycle where poor sleep exacerbates mental health issues, and anxiety or depression, in turn, makes it harder to sleep. CES devices break this cycle by directly stimulating brain regions associated with relaxation and emotional regulation. When it comes to anxiety and depression, CES works by modulating the brain's natural electrical activity to restore emotional balance. In clinical studies, CES has been shown to reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone often elevated in individuals with anxiety. Additionally, by stimulating the brain's production of calming neurotransmitters, CES helps to alleviate depressive symptoms, offering a drug-free alternative for managing these conditions. For individuals who experience brain fog, irritability, and a sense of mental lethargy that often accompanies insomnia and depression, CES offers a means of clearing mental blockages, improving focus, and restoring emotional clarity. Over time, CES can enhance cognitive function, reducing the mental haze many people struggle with when sleep-deprived or mentally exhausted. As technology advances and the demand for non-invasive mental health treatments grows, CES is likely to play an increasingly important role in managing a variety of conditions. From insomnia to anxiety, depression, and migraines, CES offers a holistic approach to healing the mind and body, promoting not just symptom relief but overall well-being. While CES may not yet be as widely recognized as pharmaceuticals, its potential to offer a safe, drug-free alternative is drawing more attention from healthcare providers and patients alike. By using electricity, nature's most fundamental force, CES devices like the Alpha CES Stim represent the next step in the evolution of non-invasive brain therapy. They offer hope for individuals who have not found relief through traditional treatments, giving them the tools to reclaim their mental and physical health.